We have had lots of snow and ice in Arkansas lately, and it's been really fun to slow down, spend lots of time with the kids, and kind of just like reset as a family. We've been cooking lots of yummy meals, but I got bored after about day 4 or 5, and so I decided to start decorating for Valentine's Day. We're going to start today in my bedroom. I'm excited about spring this year, so I decided to go ahead and break out the tulips. We're going to have tulips throughout all of my Valentine's decor. We're just working on the bedroom today, but I went ahead and put this white tulip wreath above our bed, and I'm just going to tie a bunch of different pink and red ribbon to it. I had a gingham red ribbon, a red silk ribbon, and then a light pink silk ribbon, and I think that's really fun for Valentine's Day. We're going to be putting some really pretty pink floral sheets on the bed, so lots of pink and red throughout our bedroom.
If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
I like to use these pink floral sheets on my bed during Easter and Valentine's Day. I feel like it's a fresh pop of color after Christmas and winter, and so I'm excited to add these to our room. We're going to be adding in my white fluffy, like the ruffle Euro pillows. I used to use them on my bed all the time, and I feel like they added a really fluffy and like romantic feel to the bedroom. So we're going to be adding those here, and then I also had some heart accent pillows from TJ Maxx that I'm going to be adding to the bed too, and also a chunky red blanket at the foot of the bed, so it's going to look very much like Valentine's threw up on our bed. Lots of red and pink, and then I'm going to be adding a banner to our headboard as well.
I need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
I have always loved these Euro pillow covers. I've had them for probably over 5 years now, and I used them for so long. And these button pillows, Will and I have actually had on our bed since we got married in 2018, which is crazy to think about. They're actually starting to get holes in the back. I need to replace them. But I love the pop of brown that the buttons give. It kind of just breaks up all of the white. And then these heart pillows are from TJ Maxx. I've had those for several years and love them. And we've got this EXO banner. I believe I got that at HomeGoods a few years back. Sometimes I put it up on our kitchen window, but this year I decided to put it on the bed. And I just think it's so cute how our bed turned out. By the way, this waffle knit comforter, it's actually a duvet, and it is so cozy, so crunchy. It is the perfect duvet it's the best one I've ever had. So I'm going to link it down below. I've shared it before, but I just had washed it on this day before I started filming, and I put it back in, and it just felt so cozy going to sleep with. Clean sheets, fresh like pops of color, and a big fluffy duvet. So I'll have all that linked down below, or all that I can link down below. I went to dust my nightstand and realized our window was so dusty because we haven't really opened the blinds pulled up the blinds in a long time, but it started to snow, and I was like, how could I not? So we have to get the picture of snow in there. We have snow all in our backyard still. It is not melting. We have not had temperatures above freezing in Arkansas for so many days, and so lots and lots of snow. But anyways, we've got the window dusted, and we've got our nightstands and our dresser wiped down. I'm going to add a few touches to our dresser here, or our chest of drawers. I've got this big I guess it's like some sort of a jar or a pot. It's like amber glass. I love it. I put it out in the fall, and I was like, I'm just going to leave it here. I love the color of it. It adds lots of warmth to our bedroom. And I just popped some baby's breath and then some longer flower stems in there with it. And I'm just going to add this sparkly and sign and a flower scented candle. And that's all I'm going to do over here on the chest.
Carry on, 'cause I know I have to let you go again.
Is it even Valentine's Day if there's not chocolate involved? These Lindor chocolates are one of my favorite candies ever, and so we added some of those right there on the nightstand. And then I also picked up some heart suckers for the kids, some Valentine's M&Ms, all the essentials. And I will also say this, my very favorite candy, like my most favorite candy of all, are chocolate turtles. And Cracker Barrel sells the mini ones, and they are so good because you can pop them in your mouth and they're like bite size. So if you ever go to Cracker Barrel for breakfast or something, pick you up a bag of the mini turtles. They are delicious. And then I've been really wanting to make homemade turtles in the crock pot. I saw a recipe for that on Pinterest, so I'm dying to make those. Hopefully I can make those in a video very soon. Maybe I'll make those in the video where I decorate the whole rest of the house for Valentine's Day, but it's coming up very soon. I also want to share several other recipes with y'all that I've been really excited about lately. But let's get a really fun Valentine's ambiance on the TV. Sometimes I like to pop a wallpaper up here, and then other times I like a little fire going with a really cozy ambiance. So that's what we're going with today. And then we're going to add some heart twinkle lights along with my red bow banner from Hobby Lobby here, just for a little pop of color over here on the fireplace. Now I'm just adding a blanket to the bed and picking up around the room a little bit. We're going to run the vacuum. I added a really cute little heart wreath to our long mirror over there by the door. And this is pretty much the end of it. I do still have Oliver's crib in my room. He is in his own bedroom now. He's very independent now. He's 4 and he's doing great in his own room. But once in a while we have a bad dream or something like that. So we've just been keeping the crib in here for that reason. And then also Annie Kate is about to transition into her own space. She co-sleeps with me. She's been breastfed for like 16 months. How old is she? 16 or 17 months. And we've got a wean here soon. I have no idea how to do it. I've done all the research and things, but everything you read just doesn't work. So we're still working on that. But I was thinking maybe she might end up in that crib, so I haven't moved it yet. Hopefully we can get her in her own room, in her own crib. But anyways, transitions of bedtime around here are not easy. I just love being in the same room with my babies, being able to hear them breathe, and just being able to check on them whenever I need to. So anyways, that's what that crib is there for. Nobody really ever sleeps in it, but we're going to keep it there for now. And let's go ahead and vacuum up this room, and we're going to call it done. I love how cozy, how romantic it feels, how just fresh it feels after a very long winter. And I'm sure we'll get more snow in Arkansas. It's only January, and we usually get our heaviest snows in February. So it feels very good to have pops of color around here again. We never did get to decorate our bedroom for Christmas, so it felt really good to freshen it up for Valentine's Day. I hope y'all enjoyed this portion of today's video. After this, I was going to share a recipe, but I was so tired, and I had also just cleaned my kitchen, so Will decided to take us all out for Mexican food, so I'll share a little bit of that. And I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Don't have to try to get by. You're already free. Yeah, you're just like me. We're making our way through heartache and pain to serenity, or surrendering indeed. But you're still yearning for something. Yeah, you're still burning and wanting. When this battle